If I had to start all over as a brand new travel advisor today, I would absolutely do things differently. And not because I made big mistakes the first time, but because I actually know now what matters most in order to succeed and to be happy. I'm Jill, I'm a travel advisor and entrepreneur, and here I share tips and insights about working in the travel industry and how to get started the right way. So first, I would pick my niches early. When you first start, it's really easy to feel like you want to and have to sell the entire world. Every destination, every type of trip, it's exciting to say yes, right? And that's exactly what I did when I started. And honestly, it was really intimidating and overwhelming. I didn't know what I didn't know, and it felt like I was constantly behind and that I had to work really hard to just keep up. So if I could do it all over again, I would choose one or two focus areas that I was really excited about and build from there. You can always expand later, and getting clear early on will help give you direction and a chance to really dive into your education. The second thing that I'd do is start building a network of other travel advisors immediately. This is something that I wish I had done sooner. And not just for the community and support, but also when a new lead comes in and it's outside of your niche, you can pass it along to someone you know, and others will do the same for you. It's really a beautiful thing. And for the community, that's super important too. Because so many of us don't work in offices anymore. We don't have people to connect with during the day or the week. So a network is really meaningful and helpful. Next, I'd learn about profitability sooner. Not all bookings pay equally. I'd take time and understand which types of trips, which types of clients and suppliers offer the best earnings for the work involved. Now, this doesn't mean chasing only high-end business, high-end luxury clients if you don't want to or don't have access to that network. It just means being smart about your business model. And as a hint, there are higher commissions paid by cruise lines typically, and groups offer high profitability because of the volume. So get started on that really early and do your research. What else I would do early on is I'd write a clear bio or elevator pitch. Instead of fumbling through your words in the beginning like, well, I just got started as a travel advisor and I sell travel and I'm really just getting started, you could have a really clear, short few sentences that you say who you help, how you help them, and what the benefit is for them. That way, right off the bat, you're presenting yourself in the right way, even if you don't feel ready yet. I'd sit down and craft this short, clear explanation that would make such a difference when you're talking to your friends, when you're networking, or even just updating your own social profiles. Don't wait until you feel ready, because you'll need it before then. And you don't want to fumble through your words and let go of an opportunity, especially early on in the beginning. Maybe as an example, something like this. I help people plan and design their perfect vacations by doing all the research and leaning on my trusted travel partners. So I can save them time and skip the stress and even get a few extra perks along the way if we can. I have so many great connections now in travel and can really customize trips for my clients. It'll help you come across confident, professional, and eager to help. Next, I'd really start defining my ideal client from day one. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's always a work in progress, but even thinking about who you want to work with helps you make better decisions. What kind of trips do they want? Where do they hang out? Where can you connect with them? If you're targeting luxury clientele, start thinking of these questions like, where do you need to be in order to meet more of the right people? Next, I'd set up a simple CRM, which is a customer relationship management system. Organization is really your best friend from the start. The minute you begin meeting people or collecting leads or contact information, you need a place to track them. Otherwise, you'll start off on the wrong foot, collecting data in different places that can snowball into pure disorganization. And this is a fun one. I'd make an education plan that includes real travel. I'd map out what I want to learn and how, whether it's supplier webinars, mentorship in business, or getting out there and experiencing destinations and hotels firsthand. Education is an investment that pays off big time. It's always very worth the money. So if you're just getting started or even just thinking about becoming a travel advisor, I hope this gives you some clarity. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's just about doing the right things at the right time so you can build a business that actually grows with you and works for you. And if you're wondering if becoming a travel advisor is the right path for you, I've got a free worksheet that'll help you figure it out. It walks you through all the big questions to ask yourself before you dive in, and you can grab that below this video. Which one of these things would you start with? What resonated with you? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. And if you want to pair what you learned here with how to choose a niche as a new travel advisor, watch this video next. I'll see you over there. I hope this video is helpful and thank you for watching.